Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is Nokia C300 versus Nokia C200 versus Nokia C100. So let's see the full video. Now for display comparison, display type, display size, display resolution, screen to body ratio, PPI density, aspect ratio, display protection. Now for design comparison, has dimensions, has weight, has colors, SIM slot, has waterproof. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic processing unit, has operating system. Now for rear camera comparison, rear first camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, has flash, has video records. Now for selfie camera comparison, has selfie camera megapixel, has video recording. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity. Now for sensors comparison, has fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, barometer. Now for battery comparison, has battery type, battery mAh, battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, has loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack. Now for features comparison, has technology, launch date. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe for Gatgets Compare.